Ever wonder how you can get your RZR plastics to look going from gray and dirty looking like that to looking brand new like that? Let me show you how. All right, check this out. I'm just using this Turtle Wax Trim Restore. All you gotta do is get a microfiber cloth, dab some on there, and wipe it onto the trim that you're wanting to turn back to new. So we're just gonna put a little bit on there. Take this, check this out. My mirror here. A little bit does go a long ways. Just like that, it looks brand new. Check that out. Done all the fender flares, those look nice and dirty. I haven't done this yet. Haven't done any of the doors yet. I did this the other day, and you can kind of see the difference from what I've done to what I haven't done. Looking way good. Much, much better. All right, check this out. I haven't done this just yet. Haven't done any of this. Come along here. Look how much better that looks. Brand spanking new. That took maybe 10 seconds to do. Look at that. I'll show you what this looks like when I'm done with it. All right, about 5 seconds later. Look how brand new that looks. You're supposed to wash it first and then apply it, and then wipe off the excess that may be on there. I didn't wash it all. I just applied it. And I'm just gonna leave the excess on there because it really isn't that much. Dang guys, that turned out pretty good. If you have any questions, let me know.